Let's make some vegan apple cider donuts. This is a one bowl recipe, super easy to make. You want to start by mixing your flour, spices, your salt, and baking soda. Set it aside until ready to use. Then in a large bowl, you're going to combine brown sugar, organic granulated sugar. I'm using avocado oil. You can use the oil of your choice. Then I'm going to start folding my ingredients carefully to not overmix. Then by this time I'm going to add my flaxseed eggs, and then I'm going to incorporate the flour and the apple cider. To scoop the batter inside the donut tray, I like using a piping bag. It's cleaner and super easy to use, but you can use a spoon as well. You can make this recipe using a cupcake tray, a bundt cake pan, is up to you. Just make sure to adjust the baking time. I'm coating my donuts using a blend of granulated sugar with cinnamon and allspice. And for my ghost decoration, I'm using a vegan fondant brand and some sprinkles. For the icing, I mix a little bit of water with powdered sugar. You can adjust the consistency, adding more water or adding more powdered sugar. And that's it. Don't forget, get the full recipe on my blog, thehungrydragonfly.com. Happy fall and happy Halloween.